Hey lighting fanatics, today I'm going to show you this Sylvania 25 watt clear incandescent light bulb. This came in a large pack of Fight 60 watt long life clear incandescents, which I got from a thrift store quite a while ago. There's a couple mismatched bulbs in there. There's a couple Sylvania 60 watt clears, and of course this Sylvania 25 watt. Now, the most notable thing about this bulb is its shape. You can see it's kind of got an interesting shape to it. I want to say this is like a PS19 versus the more standard A19, which looks like this. You can definitely see it's a different shape. It's a little bit shorter, and the neck kind of bulges out a little bit more as well. Though I think some A19 bulbs are like that too. But yeah, kind of an odd shape. Another nice thing about this bulb is that you can see the C-shaped filament very nicely through the clear glass. It's a little bit lopsided, that's for sure, but it works. It's got 3 supports on it, very nice. Of course, we can get a good look at the stem there going all the way down into the base, which is of course very nice brass base, so this won't rust into your fixtures. Very nice. And on the top we do have an etch, but it's so faded you can barely even see it. I'll shine a flashlight on it so you can see it better. It says 25 watt Sylvania 120 volt CSA. Very dusty too. Dust that off a bit. So yeah, very nice little bulb. Very simple little 25 watt incandescent. Nothing too crazy, but definitely a very interesting shape. So we'll go ahead and screw it in. Got a testing socket here. Screws in like normal. And I also have the dimmer here. So we'll be able to dim this bulb. Of course, it's already going to be dimmed to begin with, but maybe we'll be able to see that filament very nicely if we dim it down. Well, I'll go ahead and turn off the lights here so that we can turn on this bulb. Alright, well I'm recording this earlier in the day than I usually record my videos, so we've still got quite a bit of light coming in here from the window, but it'll be good enough to test this bulb. So go ahead and turn it on in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, and there we go. Very nice. Of course, the camera is really overexposing the filament. Focus on it so you can see that better. And of course the camera is also going to try and change the white balance so you don't actually get the real color of the bulb. Just kind of looks like a washed out like 3000K white versus the very nice golden yellow color that it actually has in person. So we'll come up here, of course, where we have all of our bulbs to look at while we test other bulbs. Right off the bat, we definitely have an odd pattern that's just caused by imperfections in the glass, I think. And it's definitely dim, of course, being 25 watt. And man, does this thing have a nice warm color. Of course, because 25 watt incandescents don't burn nearly as hot as higher wattages. So it'll be a much warmer color temperature. And of course our CRI is going to be pretty high as well. We'll come over here. There's a couple more things there to compare CRI. Yeah, and I can start zooming into that stuff, I guess. You'll be able to see it better. And over here. Very nice. Well, now it is time to start dimming the bulb. So first, dim it all the way down. Ooh, wow. Very nice. You can see the filament and all the reflections of it. I'll even focus on that even more. Very nice. And of course, we're getting next to nothing in terms of brightness here, so yeah, not a whole lot. Well, we'll go ahead and increase it up to around 50% here. And there's what that looks like. And we get a little bit of usable light. Of course, it's very orangey and warm. Well, now we'll go ahead and bring it up to 100%. And we get our full 25-watt brightness once again. Alright, it's time to come back down here. And we'll turn off the bulb, see how good of a fade out it has. Ooh, very nice. Let's do that again. Seems to have a pretty good fade out for such a low wattage bulb. Well, I'll go ahead and get the lights turned back on. And we'll unscrew this bulb and take one last look at it. Alright, I am back. So go ahead and unscrew this bulb. And of course, it's not all that hot at all because it's pretty low wattage. Put that to the side. There's our filament again. All the way in there. And our base. It's a little cracked up on that side. The insulator is. And our etch, which again, you can hardly even see that. Let me get the flashlight here so you can see that better. There we go. The L and V in Sylvania are kind of messed up. Kind of up the way. But yeah, very nice little bulb. Oh wow, I set it down just perfectly so it wouldn't roll away. Well, there you have it. The Sylvania 25-watt clear incandescent light bulb. PS19 shape. Well, if you enjoyed what you saw, be sure to leave a like down below, feel free to leave a comment, and if you want to see more cool lighting videos in the future, be sure to subscribe. See you next time.